Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture, and today we are going to explore a very important topic in science, the pace of matter. I think this lecture will help you to understand solid, liquid, gases and plasma behave, and also why each of them is unique. So let's start our today's lecture. We know everything around us made of matter. For an example, the chair we sit on, the water we drink, the air we breathe are all matter. So we can identify the matter is anything that has mass and occupies a space. When we talk about the pace of matter, we can divide it as four types: solid, liquid, gas and also plasma. Solid, liquid, gas and also plasma. So now let's understand what actually happens to the particles in each state. First, let us talk about the solid. Solids are the most common type of matter we can see around us in day-to-day life, such as diamonds, ions, rocks. Diamonds, iron, rock. Now I will draw the particle arrangement of a solid to explain it clearly. As you can see, the particles in solids are very closely packed together and they are arranged in a regular pattern. And you can see there is almost no empty spaces between the particles. And another important thing is, if we applied vibration to this, they only vibrate in their fixed position. That is why solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Now let us move to the second phase of matter, liquid. Here also I will draw the particles arrangement of liquid. Okay. Here also you can see the distance between particles are far away than compared to solid. And also they are not arranged in a regular pattern like solids. It means they are not fixed in a shape like solid. So what happens here when we apply vibration on liquid? It can vibrate and they can also move. Because of this movement, liquid do not have a fixed shape, so it only takes the shape of container. As an example for liquids, water, milk, oil. So now let's move to the gases. Here also I will draw the particles arrangement of gas. Okay, you can see here the particles are separated and far away compared to solid and liquids, and no regular arrangement. It can move freely, no definite shape and no definite volume. As an example, we can say carbon dioxide, oxygen, gas. Now talk about the final phase 1, plasma. Plasma is also similar to gas, no definite shape and no definite volume. When a gas is heated to very high temperature, it can change into plasma. So what is the difference between gas and plasma? Plasma is made up of electrically charged particles, so plasma can conduct electricity. As an example, lightning, neon lights, flames. So this brings us to end of today's session. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you understand this clearly.